Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. We are the All India Sales and Development Partner for BricsCAD since 2012. In this video, I am going to talk about BricsCAD and introduce you to this new and wonderful software. BricsCAD is a DWG-based software and is compatible with AutoCAD and all other DWG software that you have used. In BricsCAD, there is also migration path for mechanical and BIM technologies, which makes it unique and different from the other DWG software that you may have used. BricsCAD is based from Belgium. It's a European product and from a company that invests almost 30 to 40% of their profits into R&D every year. BricsCAD has an aggressive roadmap for growth, and if you are with BricsCAD, you can not only be AutoCAD compatible, but you can also grow into new technologies like point cloud processing, BIM, mechanical, and other add-on software which are available in the market. Today we are happy to tell you that BricsCAD has the highest number of third-party add-ons other than AutoCAD. So this is a clear testimony and a testament to the fact that BricsCAD is widely approved and used in the industry. BricsCAD is very compatible, but it's not a copy of AutoCAD. Being a European product, we have been responsible to give you a product that is very compatible and easy to use, and we can guarantee that you can migrate to BricsCAD with just a day or two of training, and sometimes even within a few hours. So try BricsCAD today. You can contact DesignSense for more information on BricsCAD and also all the other third-party plugins, add-ons, and productivity tools that we have. Thank you.